Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I was on Summit the other day, and I thought you guys would like this. I had a across the map tomahawk throw. Never had it before. It seems to be prevalent on this map, so just wanted to show you this. Thought this was pretty cool. And theater mode, I'm showing you. So here you go, guys. Bam, 5,800. I'll give you a better look here in a second. Fast forward this. Here you go, guys.